We made it to Kentucky, and it's day one of CamaroFest. Okay guys, I have to start this video sitting down. Right over here at Lethal Garage. We're out here at CamaroFest. It's day one. I'm sitting in the tent hiding. Cars tech check for drag racing. Racing's been going on behind me. All the vendors are here. The show and shine's over there. We're gonna go check out all the cars, see everyone who's here today. It's Friday, first day of the event at Beach Bend. Now, the show started technically yesterday. They did road course at the NCM road course across from the Corvette Museum, doing all sorts of stuff. So everybody got their taste of road course yesterday. But today is all about autocross. It's all about drag racing, the car show, vendors, all that stuff. So we're gonna check everything out. We're here at the tent. My family is back at the hotel. I made them wake up at the butt crack of dawn to get over here so we can get set up, because we didn't get set up yesterday. But they're hanging out, swimming, and they're supposed to be bringing me back some lunch. Hopefully that happens. But we're gonna get some racing in. We're gonna check some cars out. I know Guitarmageddon just did his first launch and just blew the tires off. So still rolled an 11, but he'll be running some good times. Hopefully the Lethal Camaro will get some good times. We're teched, we're ready to go. So it's all gonna happen today. Stay tuned, let's get it done. We're gonna go cruise around, see what CamaroFest is all about. Got the trusty Swagatron, the Lethal Swagatron, so hopefully this isn't too bumpy. I'll be back. Look at this behind the scenes with prey porting. Don't. So, if you guys don't know prey porting, if you ever need anything ported, 85 Flexer on the East Coast, hit him up. He's got it all, he can do it all. But he's out here tweaking and modifying his beast, getting all dialed in. This is the non-Camaro owner. How you doing, man?
I'm good. How are you, man?
I'm hot and sweaty.
Welcome to
I'm back in Kentucky.
Welcome to Kentucky.
It's a familiar feeling. So
how'd the car run, Matt?
Terrible. So we got all the, oh God, we're gonna get hit. Got all the cars over here. This is like drag area, testing tunes. Everybody's been running all the different classes, all the different mods. So they put me in unlimited. I would have been in the SM group, but my vehicle has 15-inch wheels, so that automatically puts me in unlimited. So I have to race all the fast guys, but my car's not really that fast, but it is what it is. But you know, tons of cars. This is just one side. We're gonna go cruise over. We'll cruise over actually to the, oh God, will we fit? We're gonna fit. We fit. So you got all the car show guys hiding over here, and it's not even all of them. So the car show, they changed up this year, and I want to do the same thing at CamaroCon. Basically, you bring your car, you clean it up, when it's ready to be judged, you bring it to a judge tent. So you drive it in. There's no waiting at your car, waiting for a judge anymore. You just pull up to one of those orange tents and go get your car judged. Now, if you have a full display and setup and you want them to judge it, they'll come to your tent and judge it. But outside of that, you're good to go. So again, all the vendors got a lot of nice cars over here. Got Mike Lee and his group, they're running the event. He's got his 1LE, we got GM's tent. They got all the 2020 cars out here on display. Looking amazing, all the LT1s. They have four different LT1s that I saw. Look for a very specific video on all of those. Now, if we come over here, this is kind of where all the club parking is. This is where the Autocross is. So the Autocross track's right over there. You got a 4th gen ripping it right now. Either with a turbo or a Pro Charge setup. You got cars just everywhere. They're kind of spread out this year. But this is where a lot of the clubs come hang out. All parked together, set up, hide under the trees. Make sure we don't get hit by a car. It's the Museum Camaro Club, or Music City. Music City. Here is all of the autocross racers queuing up for their runs. Maybe we can sneak in there. Look, they got a first gen. Hold on. First gen ripping it. First gen's a little bit slower. So we made a couple qualifying, well, one qualifying pass, one test and tune pass, 10.00 basically. Not very good. The problem is we took the car out on the second run and pulled it back in, popped the hood, and the fluid in the inner chiller was hot. Now, I've never had this issue before, and the lines weren't chilled over like they normally are, and we basically let the car start up and sit idle, and the temps came right down, it cooled right off, everything was good, worked as it should. And what we basically have figured out is, in this heat and the temperature and all that, I need to drive the car around and let it idle longer, because basically I hopped in my car, I got right in line, and within a minute from starting it, I was going down the track. It just wasn't long enough to let the fluid cool down in this heat and this temperature and this environment. So again, I drove around the car, we got it down in the temperature, we just checked the temps, they're down in the 30s. So I was worried, and I think that's why things were running a little bit slower and just being off. We weren't getting nice ice cold air through the blower, so times were suffering. The car wasn't running as right as it should be. It's just kind of stressing out. I lost my hat somewhere. I have no idea where my hat is. But yeah, so CamaroFest is going well. Drove around, checked out all the cars that were here today. It seems a little lighter than normal, but racing's going good. Sounds like someone just blew up their motor right before these last couple passes. So I don't know if they're going to do another unlimited run or test and tunes today. If they do, I definitely want to run the car again. I've only done 2 passes, but we'll definitely try to get a lot more in tomorrow. Tomorrow's the bracket racing, so we're competing and all that greatness. So I'm not expecting to win or do ultimately amazing, but I would like to see some 9s here in Bowling Green. So that's the goal. That's what we want to see. And now that I know how to get my inner chiller working properly out here in Kentucky, hopefully we'll see some better times and cooler temps and more power, and yeah, so that's it. So CamaroFest 9, it's kicking off, first day. I think it's going pretty good. All the smoke is flying, cars are running. Everyone seems to be having a good time. It is pretty hot. I'm pretty sure I'm fried. I put spray suntan lotion on my face and it stings. So that probably means my entire face is fried, because I didn't put anything on this morning like an idiot. And tomorrow I'm gonna be a lobster, and you guys will get to see it on camera because that's just how it rolls. So either or, thanks for checking out the content. If you guys are looking for more around CamaroFest, hit that subscribe button. If you want more just about Camaros, my build, the second gen, all that stuff, also hit that subscribe. Likes, comments, shares appreciated. But until next time, see you on the road.